Verifying your identity on BigCommerce is an important step to ensure the security of your account. Follow these simple steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your BigCommerce account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you are using a secure network to protect your information. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings section. This is usually found in the dashboard menu under your account name or profile icon. Step 3. Select identity verification. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Provide required information. Fill out the necessary fields with accurate information. This may include your name, address, and any identification documents requested by BigCommerce. Step 5. Submit and wait for confirmation. After entering all required information, submit your verification request. You will receive a confirmation email once your identity has been successfully verified. Completing these steps will help ensure that your BigCommerce account is secure and that your identity is verified. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to BigCommerce support for assistance.